got this wine glass, y'all. First of all, I saw this on Amazon for $69.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here. Sleigh bell jingling, ring, jingle, tingling too. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.
What it do, YouTube? It's your girl Chatty Shay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Now, I know I look terrible, so you don't have to tell me that, but it also is 6:30 in the morning. So y'all, I have an 8 o'clock hair appointment that I am trying to get ready for. I already started the car because it is below freezing outside, so I already did my inside stuff for the house. I just have to just grab my personal stuff and my hair and hit the road jack. So that's what we're about to do, because I do want to try to stop to get something to eat if I can. I can, but the stores might not be open this early, except for McDonald's or Burger King or Wendy's or something, which I really don't want. So we're gonna see if we can stop and get breakfast. So let's go to my appointment. Okay, y'all. Do you see your girl? Do you see your girl? Do you see your girl? Okay, period. Alright, y'all, so hold on, let me get situated. First of all, it is freezing outside, okay? Absolutely freezing. I need to let the car warm up, y'all, for real. But y'all see a girl got her hair done. Okay, your girl looking human right now. But anyway, y'all, I absolutely do not know what's on the agenda for today. Because the day is just it is still super early. Let me tell y'all what time it is. It is 9:30. Okay, so 9:30. So y'all, it's still mad early, and I don't know what the day gonna hold, y'all. So yeah, let me see. Yeah, I'm so stuck because I don't know what I'm doing today. I do have things I can do, but do I want to do them right now? And y'all, it is still 9:30, so you know what? I might go home and jump in the bed. But we also never got nothing to eat, so let's go get some food. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. Let's go and hit the road jack, cause y'all gonna slide too. And y'all, I'm not in my car. This is not my car. So as y'all can see, I'm back in my car. And I'm just back in my car just to talk to y'all for a little while, because this video is going to be basically a spend the day with me video. So I know we started off with me waking up, and I'm going to get my hair done. As y'all can see, did I show y'all my hair? Did I show y'all? Did I show y'all the hair? Okay, anyway, the girl got that side part bust down, okay? Because Pootie every time going slay, okay? She going slay. But anyway, y'all, so this is a spend the day with me video. So, and I don't know what I'm doing today. I have no idea what I'm doing today. But we gonna find out. So this is what I'm looking to complete today, y'all. So this is my hot chocolate station. I got these little bottles from Amazon, which I already have some stuff in them. So this is the French vanilla. This is the caramel. They were laminated, but they're not. But I still love them because they're plastic and they're really, really cute and dainty. So this is cinnamon, which I'm waiting to come in the mail. And then this is chocolate, y'all. And this is going to be my hot chocolate station for the holidays. So I need to get a under the cabinet light and a few other things to go here. So we're going to go scan Dollar Tree to see if they have these items. Okay, so I'm here at Dollar Tree. As y'all can see, we are at Dollar Tree. and we are here shopping for my hot chocolate station, okay? So let's stay on task and let's not lose sight of the vision, okay? Because we tend to get a little complacent or distracted when we go into the stores. So we have a goal, y'all. Let's not forget the goal. So I think this is super cute for the hot chocolate station, but my only concern is that it's going to melt, because I would want these to sit out, but I'm still going to grab this, y'all, because these are chocolate spoons. So we're still going to grab these. Oh, we could get hot cocoa balls. Oh, let's get these hot chocolate balls. Oh yeah, let's get these too. Oh, look at these. Oh my God. We've been in here getting things that we are not supposed to get. Why do I have all of this stuff in my hand? I'm thinking of so many video ideas that I just keep picking up stuff. So we're here getting ready to see if I can find like a spice rack or something. I need like a spice rack or something similar where I can put the hot chocolate bottles on, the syrup bottles on. So I'm trying to see if I can find a riser. So I'm over here in this section looking for one. I don't see one, y'all. Hold on. So I am not seeing what I need, y'all. So I'm gonna go down like the arts and craft aisle, and yeah, I'm gonna go down the arts and craft aisle to see what they have. But y'all, of course, y'all know we picked up things that we really not supposed to be picking up. Yeah, okay. Anyway, let's go down the arts and craft aisle. Okay, y'all. So look, I found like these little. I guess these is like a cookie jar or whatever. But we're gonna get these. Like, look how cute these are. Like, look how cute. But I think I'm gonna go with like this cookie jar because this goes with my aesthetics because it's clear. So let's grab one of these. So I'm here at Goodwill, and I kind of want to show y'all what I'm looking for. So because it don't really have a name, but it got a name. So this is what I'm looking for. So this is on Amazon, but it's too many in the pack, right? But can y'all see? See, I'm looking for a riser like that to put those syrup bottles on. So that's why I'm here at Goodwill, because even if I find something that I can like makeshift into a syrup riser, it will still be good, right? So that's why I'm here at Goodwill. So before I buy something, I want to check out Goodwill because I want it in my hand. Like, it's nothing like having what you want in your hand to look at the finished product, right? So if I cannot find it in Goodwill, then I'm going to just order it. But if I do find something that I can makeshift, I'm going to use that. So let's go to Goodwill to see what we can find for our hot chocolate station. Okay, y'all, we are coming into Goodwill. Okay, Goodwill. And remember, y'all, remember what the goal is, okay? Remember what the goal is. We're looking for, oh, look at these shoes. How cute. Oh, this is cute. Commercial break. So they do have this here, but I don't think it's big enough to hold the syrup bottles. So I'm not going to purchase that. But they don't have anything else that I could use. Look, they have, but it is not the right color. Not the right. And another one, y'all, but it is too big. I only have 4 bottles. So if this was half the size it is, I would be leaving Goodwill. I have my bag of stuff here. And y'all, I think I found what I needed. I couldn't really record in here because they're playing music, but I'm about to get in the car and show y'all what I got. All right, y'all, so this is what we got from Goodwill. No, we didn't come here for this, but this is what we got. So we got this wine glass, y'all. Oh, first of all, I saw this on Amazon for $69. So when I saw this in Goodwill and it was like $3, I was like, we gonna get it, we gonna bleach it, we gonna put some vinegar in it, and we gonna wash it up, and we gonna pour us the biggest glass of wine, because we're getting ready to end the semester in school with a 4.0. Okay, we getting ready to have straight A's this semester. So y'all, we getting ready to pour us the biggest glass of wine we can. So that's why I picked this up. Okay, and then, so this is what I found, y'all. So out of all those other things, this matched my aesthetics more. Now this is just like, just a clear whatever. It was $3, so if it don't work, I'm not mad because it was $3. But my idea is to sit this on the counter and to put the 2 bottles on the top and let the other 2 sit in front on the counter, and then it gives it some dimension like I'm looking for. So we're gonna hope that works. And then on the inside of here, I can put the hot chocolate balls inside of a little bowl or whatever. So we're gonna see if that container I got from Dollar Tree fit in here. If not, we can set it to the side, but we're just gonna go see how that work out. But let me show y'all what I got for the living room. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited about this. Look at this. Oh my stinking God, y'all. Like, oh my stinking God. Oh my God, like, y'all, look how big this is. Like, oh, y'all, this is for my living room. Like, oh, let's go home. So we are back in the house, y'all, and we have the stuff that I'm going to potentially set this up with. So let's get to setting up.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let us know it's lasting now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. Now that he thinks so next Christmas, I'm not all alone, boy. Tell me if you're really there.
Alright, as y'all can see, I am not quite done, but it's looking cute. It's looking cute. It's looking really, really cute, y'all. I am not done. I feel like it's missing something, but I'm not quite sure. I still do have to get an under the cabinet light so that when it comes on, the light, so that when someone's over here making something, that the light comes on for underneath the cabinet. But y'all, comment down below and tell me what you think is missing from my station. I don't know. I can't quite put my hand on it, but something is missing. Okay, something is missing. And I also have these chocolate spoons here, but I do not know where to put them. So we're gonna put these in a drawer for now, but this is how it's looking so far, y'all. Comment down below. I don't know what else to add, but I am gonna go get some inspiration from TikTok. Yeah, but this is where we are so far. Okay, I want to show y'all that I had this clear container in my laundry room, so I went and got that. And on top of this is the lid from the candle, y'all. And I put the chocolate bombs in it, the hot chocolate bombs in there, y'all. So I think that looks better. I feel like it's kind of giving me the vibes that I want. I'm feeling like this sign I should hang up here. I'm gonna put this sign up here. Alright, y'all, so I feel so much better about this setup. So I hung up the Santa Claus Workshop sign. I relocated this. I moved my Keurig over to hide like the cord. There goes the mints and stuff, y'all, and I think that this looks so much better. Gonna slide the candle right there, and I think that this is so cute, y'all. And in case y'all wondering where the stuff is, I'm going to refill this drawer up. You see we out of hot chocolate, but I do have some more down the bottom, so I'm going to refill this drawer, y'all. But yes, I still don't have anywhere for these to go, but I think I'm just going to put these in the refrigerator. But y'all, so stinking cute. And y'all know what, like, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to make hot chocolate here at this station. Okay, y'all, so as y'all can see, our station is like, I would say it's like 40% done, y'all. I do still want to add something to it. Not quite sure yet, but I'm going to go get some inspiration from TikTok. But comment down below how you like our little station so far, y'all. Super, super, super excited about it. I'm going to refill this stuff. And I'm probably going to make me a cup of hot chocolate because I'm super excited. I wanted to get the disposable cups from Dollar Tree, but Dollar Tree didn't have any disposable cups or straws. So I'm getting ready to order on Amazon some disposable cups and straws. And then when that stuff come in, I'm going to show y'all what that look like. And I'm going to give y'all an update on the hot chocolate station. But anyway, y'all, the color of today is going to be brown. Okay, so if you've gotten this far in the video, comment down below brown. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend what your girl is doing on this channel. Until next time, bye y'all.